Hello guys, my name is Phang. Today I would like to present on how to create a deferring disk of a virtual hard disk or VHD. What is deferring disk? Deferring disk is a virtual hard disk that stores changes made to another virtual hard disk or to the guest operating system. The purpose of deferring disk is to make it possible to maintain information about changes made so that they can be reversed if necessary. Differentiating disks are based on either a fixed size or dynamically expanding VHD and can be configured with parent-child relationship. You can make changes to the data or operating system without affecting the parent disk, so you can revert the changes easily. However, it's important to remember that any VHD that serves as a parent must remain read-only and all children must have the same VHD format as the parent disk. In order to create a differencing disk, we must first enable Hyper-V features in our machine. You may ask, what is Hyper-V? Hyper-V is a virtual machine feature built into Windows to allow users to create multiple virtual machines without any additional software. To enable Hyper-V features, we must first search for Windows features. After that, tick the checkbox beside Hyper-V and select OK. Then, a pop-up box will appear to notify the user to restart the machine, which allows the changes to be made. But since I have enabled Hyper-V features before this, I will move on. To actually use Hyper-V, we must launch the Hyper-V Manager application. Search for Hyper-V Manager. As I mentioned earlier on, to create differencing disk, we must create a parent disk. Since I have created the parent disk earlier on, I will show how to create a differencing disk based on the parent disk. Select New Hard Disk. Next. As I mentioned earlier on, the child disk must have the same. The child disk or the differencing disk must have the same format as the parent disk. I created the parent disk as a VHDX format. Therefore, I will select VHDX for this differencing disk. Select Next and select differencing. Please specify the name and the location of the differencing disk. Put it in C drive. Next. Now we must select the path, the location of the parent disk, which I created earlier on. Browse. And this is the parent disk I created earlier on. Next. As you can see, the format is VHDX, type is differencing disk, the name, the location, and the parent is the same. The parent must have the same format as the child. Click Finish. In order to boot the differencing list using native boot. To put the differencing list that you have mounted, you must run command prompt administrator and then type this command bcd boot. F is the drive letter that of the differencing list that has been mounted. Once boot file has successfully created, we can restart the machine and select the differencing list that you have native booted. That's all for my presentation. Hope you will like it. Thank you.